come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
It was way too next time.
Quite a busy place. Hello.
I ordered there.
Yes sir, ma'am. Chicken at 119. Tuloy na ka chicken, may dry some free drinks na. Ano sir?
This looks good. Steak, pork barrel. I think that's the only non-food stall here. Mexican food. I've seen a few of these places. I'm kind of surprised at
Sugbo Mercado, Sugbo Mercado, Sugbo Mercado, craving satisfied from you.
hopefully YouTube don't copyright me on that. If they do, it'll be noticeable in the video. Looks pretty good over there too. Pork steak, rib steak, pepper steak. Clean as you go, that's very good advice. A lot of good stuff there. I'm actually making my way around to, hello, another stall that I told I would visit tonight. So I've had their chicken. It's very good. This is something I'm going to try later.
Yes, sir. Chocolate syrup.
Ah,
All natural ingredients.
maybe before I leave. No. With the exception of the one booth, this is pretty much strictly a food market.
Sir.
Hey, looks good. Hey guys. That all looks good. Excuse me.
Hey, John.
Hey, I told you I'd come back.
Oh, yeah, that's great. That's great.
I thought about not. I was down at Carbon Market.
Oh.
Got rained on a lot.
Oh, yeah, it was raining.
Yeah. So that's it right there.
Yeah, that's the kimchi fried rice.
It looks good.
Yeah, very good.
And it's healthy.
Healthy. Well, you just ruined it now.
Huh?
You just ruined it for me. So. Probably should. Okay, this is kimchi fried rice. It's something I've never tried before, but been wanting to for the last few days, so. The pork is good. The rice is very good. Something I would definitely try again. Real good. More than I expected. I expected it to be good, but not this good. It's good.
How's the food?
It was good. It was real good.
Great. That's great.
Seemed a little spicy,
Yeah?
but good.
Yeah,
And I wish I'd have tried it earlier. There we go. Premium ice cream dessert. That is my destination. How are you guys tonight?
Hi.
One of the mini marigolds.
Mini marigold one?
Yes. Got one more stop on our food tasting. I would say all this food tonight's gonna make me fat, but that ship has sailed. So MGM Bagnet is gonna be our next stop. Been here for a little while. Crowd's kind of died down. It's cooled off a little. That's always a plus. You guys are my last stop tonight. I think I've ate all I can eat.
Hi, sir. Hello. How are you?
So what do you recommend?
What I recommend Bagnet. Limpo. This is the good stuff right here. But if you like, what is your favorite Filipino cuisine, sir? Are you feeling? We can go sinigang.
I don't know.
Buttery. We can go kare-kare.
I like meat. Oh, I tried some the other night. It was real good.
And what what do you like, sir?
Okay, here it is. That's good. Definitely something I'd recommend. Hey, it was really good. Well, next time I'm in Cebu, I'll definitely pay you guys a visit.
I do you to the cooking.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for everything.
Y'all have a good night.
You have a good night.
Well, that's the end of my food journey. I think if I eat any more, I'm going to pop. I highly recommend that market. Places that I ate, they were great. And I will be visiting them again. And probably some new places next time I'm in Cebu. So if you like this video, please subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.